Now, before we can move forward, we need a key that can help us to talk to these LLMs. I'll be using OpenAI as an LLM for this course, but you can be free to use Gemini also if you want to, because it is kind of free. The steps are almost the same thing. Maybe only the website is a bit different, but the steps are the same. Now, for openai.com, you can go open up that, and then we hit login button right here, and we're choosing API platform. That will give us the login page. So if you are new, just click sign up and simple steps to sign up for you. I already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and continue with my account. So when you get signed up or logged in, you land on this screen at the moment, which is basically a documentation of how to use this LLM for developers. For us at the moment, I want first to get an API. Then click settings, and inside there, I'll go to API keys. Hit that, and then I'll click generate a new secret key. And here you can write, for example, whatever name you want, my key, and select if you have a project or just a default project. And let's say I want all. Okay, but for now we'll be only reading, but at some point you'll also giving inputs, which we'll be doing as well in this course. So I want all permissions, and I'll create secret key. Now this secret key only appears once. So make sure, please, when you get this key, go ahead and save it somewhere safe, because we'll need it later in our project. Also, one more thing, if you're using OpenAI, of course, this is charging you money whenever you use this key. So don't share it with anybody, okay? For me, I'm not going to use this key, so I'm sharing it with my screen. But if you are using your own key, keep it very safe and not visible to anyone. So before you close this pop-up, copy it and paste it somewhere where you can save it, okay? Now let's click done. And one more thing before we finish this is that you have to go and check your billing, and you have to make sure you have balance. In this account, I don't have any balance at the moment, okay? If you created a new fresh account, and when you do so, you'll be asked to use a phone number to validate your account. Now, if you have a previous account with that phone number, you won't have any credits in your new account. But if you don't use that phone number with any other account and you create a new one with it, you'll get by default a $5 credit. So if you don't want to pay money, just create a new account with a new phone number and you'll get a $5 balance in your account. And this goes for a long time, because when we build in simple projects, we're not be sending a lot of data or consuming a lot of data. So we will be fine. So that's it for this. The next video will be actually talking to the LLM and see how we can integrate this API key in our project.